What's up, y'all? Today I'm got a new movie unboxing that I bought a new movie. But you might gonna see it. Batman versus Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But look at this, it's all shiny and colorful shiny. Well, it's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Batman of DC Comics. But The Dark Knight meets Mutant Mayhem, like Four Turtles and Batman team. But as you can see, there's the Batman team. As you can see, it's the Batman team. Batman team up with Ninja Turtles. And it's 80 years of Batman. Maybe let's celebrate Batman 80 years of anniversary. The WB, DC Comics, and Nickelodeon presents the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Batman. But it's the Turtles, but the Nickelodeon by the Nickelodeon. The Nickelodeon published like the second Nickelodeon TV show, like SpongeBob. Anyway, let's take a look inside. But check this out. It looks so shiny, but it's soft. Anyway, in this case, there's both sides. With both sides. Excuse me. Here's two CDs of Batman vs. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Here's a DVD. Here's Blu Ray. I watched the whole thing, and it was so super pro. It was awesome. But I'm gonna put Blu-ray version on, and I'm gonna show you the clips and see what a Ninja Turtles Batman version looks like. There, I put it on Blu-ray version, and let's see what it looks like. In disclaimer.
To be right through.
So this is the clips of it. So I'm gonna see what it looks like.
Man cave. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna see if I can access that big computer for clues, and also because it's beautiful.
Here, much better.
I don't see any sign that Shredder or the Foot Clan have been here. Yeah, I just see the signs of a dude with
That's an 80 years version of Batman.
Too much money on this.
But it's anniversary.
Most of these files are encrypted too heavily, but it looks to me like Batman has been tracking laboratory break-ins.
Yep.
He's been looking for the Foot's next move, same as us.
Hey guys, check it out! I'm Batman, and I'm riding a T-Rex. I've never been so happy in my entire life!
Mikey, get down.
Nah, man. I live up here now!
You should listen to him.
Robin.
Aww! Take that mask off, now! Ow! A tiny dude's like totally trying to kill me! I said, take it off!
What are you, 5?
How did you get in here?
Hey! Oh! Hey, little guy. You didn't come here to fight.
That's it, grab him!
Oh no.
Let go! You let go, dude!
Listen, Shrimp, you don't want to do this.
Oh, yes, I do.
What is it with this kid?
Stick it down!
That's a brand new graphics.
Interlopers! I'll have your heads for this! Let me up! Can't hear you, bro. Heads in my shell.
Let's just try and read.
But this is a clips of it I'm gonna show you. And
that.
ooh,
Get off Robin. Now.
uh-oh.
How did you get into this cave?
Oh, well, there weren't many security measures in the northern tunnel. You had to swim for a bit, but
No
I realize
securities.
You don't actually want constructive criticism.
What I want are answers.
Look, we're not here to fight. My name is Leonardo. These are my brothers, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo.
Seriously?
Our father was really into Renaissance painters.
And he's a rat. We're not your enemy. We came to Gotham to stop Shredder and the Foot Clan. Honestly, we thought you might be Shredder's new partner.
Shredder. So that's his name. I'd heard of the Foot Clan, but I thought they'd went extinct ages ago.
They're ninja, you know, sneaky.
So, are we not gonna beat up these green losers?
It's not looking like it, no.
But they can join the
And I may
Batman
as well
team.
tell you that I know exactly who Shredder and the Foot are working with.
Thank you. Next.
We did it. The scans show no trace of the Jokerized ooze in the air.
No way Shredder could have survived that.
Well, we've certainly counted them out before. I need to be surprised.
I still can't believe Master Bruce actually said cowabunga. Come on, that was genius. We needed a code word that Batman would never normally say.
You did well out there. Your father will be very proud.
Thank you. Although I'm sure he'll have some harsh words about us being gone from the city this long.
That's our fearless leader's unsubtle way of saying it's time to go. But let's keep in touch.
Sure, my handle online is Oracle.
Batgirl. Barbara Gordon, a.k.a. Batgirl Oracle. Plus Oracle.
Those staffs are cool.
What?
They are.
What?
You're a tough little guy. I respect that.
It was an honor to fight with you. And your more frivolous brothers.
You are also weird. But I kind of like that too.
Yup.
Alfred, I'm very sorry about before. So to make it up to you, please accept my skateboard. It's just what I've always wanted.
Wow.
Promise me you'll only use it to perform.
But the happy ending.
tricks.
All right, guys, let's go home.
Wait.
What?
You can leave now.
Now what? Pizza time?
It's pizza time.
Yes!
Huh?
That was correct. Batman shares a turtle dude's pizza. What's wrong, Robin? You don't want pizza? Come on, take it. Here you go, Robin. And everyone else loves pizza with Batman. And Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And Alfred. And Batman. And Robin. And Batgirl. So that's all the clips. I showed you what it looks like. So thank you all for watching, for unboxing plus clips of Batman vs. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Subscribe, hit the bell for more of my videos, and goodbye, and stay tuned for more of my videos.